Underneath the vet here, man, just looking at the undercarriage. I ain't never really been under here like that, man. Y'all can see what little work it needs. See those little boots right there leaking power fluid, so gotta get that replaced here eventually. I think a bearing over on this side has gotta get replaced. But I think that rattling is coming from right here. I can see this shit moving right here.
That's your heat shield.
That's what I was saying in the beginning, was the heat shield is like what? Oh no, not that. This one right here. Can you see that right there?
Yeah, it's been a little bit.
Like,
I think it's just split from the top. Yeah, it's just rusted out.
Alright y'all, so this is the same video, just a new day. Found out what that annoying rattling noise is, man. We thought it was just the heat shield. It's not. The heat shield is intact. It is the resonator. Y'all seen that? I hope y'all seen it. It was kind of zoomed in, but it's the top half of that. It's a beautiful day out here, man. It's coming to an end though, man. It's already August, man, so y'all already know when September hit, weather goes downhill. But yeah, man, it's just a resonator, so I just called Jose. He gonna chop that thing off, put a pipe in between there, man, and we should have a nice, good, deep tone to it. You know what I mean? Be a little louder. You know what I'm saying? But I'm happy about that. So we're gonna get that knocked out, man. But this is gonna be a wrap for the video. I just wanted to give y'all that small little update, man. I wanted to make it over to the junkyard. I wasn't able to. I got off late today. So tomorrow, I got something to do tomorrow too. I might be able to make it to the junkyard later on tomorrow. But if not, man, this weekend or following week or something like that, man, we're gonna make it up there, man. I just want to pull some parts off the vets. Y'all see that, like little stuff like that, man. Missing a sun visor right there, you know. A couple like emblems for places around the vehicle that I'm missing. Just little stuff like that, man. But yeah, gang, this is a wrap, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Hit that notification bell and turn it to all. Gang, 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 gang.